What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. All right, y'all. So in today's video, we have two unboxings, and I am so sorry. What are they doing out there? Girl, what are they doing? Hold on. Now, y'all know I live in Texas, okay? Because that noise, if y'all can hear it, which I think y'all can because I can hear it very well, is an F-150. Real Texas. Like, that man is revving up his F-150. I guess he's warming up his car because it's a little cool outside. That's ridiculous, sir. That's ridiculous. You fix that, sir. Neighbor. Anyway, I have two unboxings today, y'all. Can we just go ahead and say it right out the gate? Can we just go ahead and say right out the gate, Coach done did the damn thing. Coach has done the damn thing. They have done it again, girl, and I am here for it. I have two Coach unboxings. One of them, unboxings, unbaggings, whatever. It's 2024. We still saying unboxing, girl. I got two Coach bags. I'm gonna show y'all. One of them I am going to return, and one of them I am going to keep. But I do want to tell y'all independently why I love them both. We're not gonna make this video too long, so let's just get right into it. Of course, before we do get into it, I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click the subscribe bell. Also, click the subscribe button, and then click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's jump right into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So the outfit of the day is this cute little tracksuit from Temu, okay? Tracksuit, again, is from Temu. Sneakers are Air Max Vapor, like Air Max Vapor Max Plus or something like that, girl, child. I don't know the name. And, you know, watch Fossil. I got some new bracelets. We'll talk about that in my new end video. Besides that, all the other jewelry is the same. And we will be talking about the Temu jumpsuit in the next video. So again, subscribe to the channel. But now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the bags. All right, y'all, so the first bag is here. The first bag is here. Comes with a box. Bag is on the ground. Of course, it comes with a bag too. Now, y'all looked at the thumbnail, so y'all already know which bags I will be showing y'all, but let's go ahead and open her up. So, we have the Coach Cassie in the denim color. Now, before we get into any specs on the bag, I do want to say this, right? I have a little story time for both bags. Y'all, I have been looking for a denim bag for maybe about 3 months, and I just haven't found the right one. I was thinking of the Valentino Roman, and then Valentino dropped a new denim bag that I checked out, and the bag was small. So the Roman was good, but I could only find it used and or new for about $4,000. And the way that my budget is set up, I wasn't about to pay $4,000 for a denim bag. And the used one that they had on Fashion File did not come with a dust bag. And I know this is gonna sound so petty and so crazy, like in the craziest of crazy ways. But I feel like one of the luxuries of having a designer bag is having the accompanying dust bag. I just can't buy it without it. Not just that, I still haven't bought a pre-loved bag. And you know, I still don't know if I'm into it yet, to be honest. I can't say that I'm not into it, but I also cannot for sure say that I am into it just yet. You know, I don't know. But I Googled denim bags randomly because, again, I am on the hunt for one. And this super cute Coach Cassie 19 popped up. So I looked to find it in store so that I could see it in person, and my local Coach had it. So I went on down there and I picked her up. Another thing that I absolutely love about Coach, they do a military discount. Girl, you better act like you know, okay? I'm in there, like I live there. So it comes with 3 pockets. This pocket right here, this larger pocket in the middle, and then this pocket in the back. Then we have this nice zip here, and we have the crossbody strap. We also, as you can see, have the chain strap, and then we have the top handle strap with the pocket in the bag. The bag is so cute. The bag is lovely. I really do love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I was completely convinced that this bag was going to be my bag of the summer. It also comes with the little Coach tag, of course. Completely convinced that this bag was going to be my bag of the summer. Now, 2 days later, I'm walking past Coach and I see another denim bag and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I go into the store just to try the bag on. I'm gonna insert a picture here of that bag. Go into the store to try the bag on. Now, I do have I have built relationships with some of the essays at my local Coach, and I try it on and she's like, yeah, Angelle, I don't think that's really you. And I was like, yeah, me too. I think it's a really cute bag. Like, I love how vintage and just kind of like, I don't know, I guess vintage it looks, but I don't have a vintage aesthetic at all. Not in any of the aesthetics that I like to dabble with. So we put that one back, but you said, you know, we have another new denim one. Now the smaller one sold out this morning, but we have the 26, and that is the Coach Tabby, the denim 20, and 26. She said we sold out of the 20 this morning. Like, they sold out in like 30, 40 minutes. It was gone, right? But she said we have the 26. Let's look at it. And she brings the 26 out. Hold on. Now, she brings that 26 out. And I absolutely love it. To die for. But the 26 is too big. I said, how do I get the 20? I said, now, typically, I do feel like the 20 is too small. But in this particular bag, I'm like, girl, I love it so much that I'll deal with the size, you know? Now, essentially, my dream denim bag was the Chanel Classic Flap Mini in the denim. But if you know, you know. In my What I'm Not Buying in 2024 video, I mentioned that I will no longer be purchasing Chanel, anything from Chanel, as I feel like she is trying to price out the everyday people, the middle class. So I said I'm not purchasing Chanel. But I love that classic flap silhouette. Absolutely love it. Like, yeah. So when I saw the 26, I was like, absolutely, hell yes. But the 26 is too big. I said, I need the 20. How can I get the 20? Where can I find the 20? She said, you can't. It's sold out. Like, I don't know. It's going to be on back order. They're probably not going to be restocking until April or even May, you know, because that's just what it is. Now, obviously, we know the bag is so damn popular, they're going to restock it. But I won't be able to have it now. And spring is right around the corner, girl. I want it now. You know, now. So I was heartbroken. And then I was just like, you know what? It ain't even meant for you, Angelle. Let's just go. So as I'm admiring this 26, a young lady and her boyfriend walk in. And she has a return or exchange. Because she wants to see the 26. She feels like the bag that she had in her bag was too small. What bag does she have in her bag, y'all? Y'all tell me that ain't the Lord. Tell me that ain't the Lord. That's it. The Lord said, Angelle, you need this. Girl, I know you need this. Let me make sure you get it. So that beautiful young lady, that beautiful black young woman returned her 20 for a 26 because she felt like the 20 was too small. She felt like she wouldn't be able to fit her things in it. So, yeah, her 20 became my 20. Okay? And that 26 that I was coveting, that I knew was just too big for me, became her 26. Yes. Yes. Y'all, the Coach Tabby Denim 20. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I love it. Let's open it up. Now we're going to be honest with you. I'm going to be honest and upfront. It can't fit shit. All right? Can't fit a damn thing. You understand? But if I'm going to have a bag that can't fit nothing, all right, I want it to be a couple $100, not a couple $1,000. Y'all better act like y'all know. You understand? I'm not paying $2,000 or $3,000 and all I can fit is my phone and a chapstick in there, okay? If I'm gonna have a bag that I can't really fit shit in, I'm comfortable with spending this amount. So this is the inside, okay? Very reminiscent of, what is this reminiscent of to me? The Gucci Marmont bag. There is a flap right here in the front, like a little secret flap. Now you could throw your phone in here, all right? Hold on now. We could throw the phone in here, in this flat part in the front. Or at least it's magnetic too. Or at least that's what the essay said, right? So you could throw the phone in there, okay? And I'm here to let y'all know she lied. You could put the phone in there, but as y'all can see, if you put the phone in there, it don't close flat. So I am going to say you could put a card holder in there comfortably, but that's about it, girl. Don't stuff your goddamn phone in there. You can put your phone in the other part. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all. What I'm thinking it's given a phone, it's given a card holder, it's given a key. As long as you have thin keys, you don't have like them keys like they used to have back in the 90s that got 45,000 things on it. You could fit that. And then it has this little black back flap back here. You could put your lip gloss and your chapstick back there. But that's about all you're going to get out of this bad boy. But it does, you know, we're side here, or you can throw it down and wear it crossbody, okay? Real Chanel classic flap vibes, and I absolutely love it. And then we have our little key tag right here. And I do want to tell y'all this, one thing's for certain, two things for sure. This is the bag that I'm keeping, just in case y'all couldn't, you know, figure that out just yet. And I did get my Coach tag imprinted, which I never usually do. I never do that, but I was like, you know what? Coach, this bag is doing something to my heart and my soul, so let's do this. So I got my initials at the bottom, AMR, and then I got the Chinese symbol for good fortune, okay? Because guess what? With my Coach bag, because I didn't spend $6,000 on the Chanel one, I spent $300, hold on. I spent $384.83 on a Coach one, honey. So guess what that equals? Money saved and good fortune, baby. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Y'all, I love it. Now it is sold out. Both of them are sold out. Okay? So you probably cannot go out to your local Coach store and buy it, and you damn sure can't buy it online. Baby, it's so sold out when you Google denim Coach Tabby in 20, it don't even pop up. It's that sold out right now. But they're gonna restock. Like, something is not going to sell out that fast and a company not restock it, okay? Like, they're gonna restock it. If they don't restock it, y'all, I am sorry, it is y'all loss. It is y'all loss, and I'm so sorry for that, because you cannot have mine. Now, I am returning the 19, and I just want to make a quick disclaimer on why I'm returning the 19 versus the 20. The 19 is bigger. And to be honest, I am not a huge fan of the 19 style as a whole, but I was absolutely willing to go with it because I really do like the denim, and I like the denim details. Even the back here looking like a damn denim pocket, I absolutely love that. So even though I do think this bag is 100% more functional, just like the 26 in this side is absolutely more functional, on the flip side, this bag is cuter, and I just love the overall aesthetic of this bag. Something else I do like about the 20 versus the Cassie 19 is the different tones of denim in it. I absolutely love these like different washes of denim. I love that. Like, I absolutely love that. So hands down, 10 out of 10, would recommend become like a Coach insider, so that when they do re-drop both of these bags, so you could be first on the list to pick them up, because I do think this is absolutely going to be one of the it bags this year for summer and spring. And it's going to be an it bag for me for the rest of my goddamn life, baby, because I don't buy bags for a season. I buy them for a reason. Y'all better act like y'all know. So again, I am returning this one. Now, I do want to throw out in this denim collection, they also had this bag in a dark denim with the silver hardware. Y'all, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. If I could get that, I would absolutely get the Cassie in that black denim. And then I could have the two. But another reason that I'm not going to keep these bags is because I don't feel like I need two denim bags that are like similar colors and, you know, whatnot. Like, I feel like I would style them in the same way, and that is not beneficial as far as my wardrobe is concerned. So yeah, but y'all, I look good or no? Is it given or nah? Y'all, I love them. I love them. 10 out of 10, I would recommend. Go get them. So that's all I got. I ain't got no more. Oh, wait, hold on. So I told y'all how much I paid for this one. Real quick, let me let y'all know how much I paid for this one. I do get a military discount. This one is originally $395, but with the military discount, it was $384 and some change. This one was originally, hold on. Okay, so this one was originally $295, but with the military discount, I don't know. So I really don't know. It was the military discount was like $31. So she actually did not apply the military discount originally. And I had to like let her know, like, hey girl, hold on now, Mia. I don't think you applied that discount. And she wasn't my normal essay, so she ain't know. So I ain't gonna hold it against her. But you better give my discount. It's a beautiful bag. It is a beautiful bag, and it absolutely is more functional and will fit more than the 20. But again, I just love the 20, y'all. This is my classic flap. Chanel, who I don't know because I cannot buy or afford. So I'm going to get what I can afford and what I can buy. So I'm good with my Coach. Thank y'all, and have a nice day. Okay, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angelleslife Life, and follow me on TikTok at @1angelleslife. It has been real. Bye. Peace.